Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download 8Fit workout and meal planner. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search 8Fit workout and meal planner. There you can see 8Fit workout and meal planner by Urbanatic Incorporation. Press on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app on your device, depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open 8Fit Workouts and Meal Planner to help with your workout and planning your meal. This much for today. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment down your thoughts on this video. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.
Now we can